Have you ever wondered what your cat is trying to tell you? Cats have a complex vocal language, and understanding it can bring you closer to your feline friend. A chirping sound, for instance, often signals excitement or a hunting instinct, usually triggered by spotting a bird or a toy. But that's just the beginning. A short, high-pitched meow is a standard greeting, while a drawn-out meow can mean your cat is demanding something, like food or attention. Purring is a well-known sign of contentment, but it can also be a way for cats to comfort themselves when they are scared or in pain. Hissing, on the other hand, is a clear warning to back off. It's a defensive sound, used when a cat feels threatened. Growling is a more serious sign of aggression, indicating that a fight might be imminent. By paying attention to these different sounds, you can better understand your cat's needs and emotions.